Hi guys, welcome to ITPK. In today's simple tutorial, we will learn a simple and straightforward method how to hide files and folders in Windows 11 or how to unhide files and folders in Windows 11. Please note that this process will also work for any version of Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let's go ahead and create a folder on my desktop. I want to create a new folder and I want to name it Please Hide Me. Okay, fine. Now let's say we want to hide Please Hide Me folder. Right click on the folder, go to Show More option, and then go to Properties. Once you come in the properties, you can see here two attributes. One is read-only attributes and second is hidden attribute. We want to enable hidden attribute because we want to hide this folder. We want to apply and let's go ahead and click on OK. And the folder is gone. Right. So let's say we have to unhide this folder. You can directly go to this PC or any other explorer. You can open that. Let's go to this PC. Once you are in this PC, okay. Once you click on here, let's go to show and we want to click on the hidden items. Let's minimize this and see if we got this folder here. That's perfect. Okay, please note that this preview could be different from my computer to your computer, but let me show you again. We could go to here option, right? And in the option, we could go to view and here show hidden files folder and drives is selected. That's why we are able to see this folder here. If we click on don't show and if we click on apply, the folder is gone. Let's go to here again and we want to show folder here on desktop. We can see that folder here. So let's say if you want to remove the hidden properties from this folder, let's go to properties and uncheck this hidden button. Now quickly, let's say we want to hide folder from Explorer, right? Any folder from the file Explorer or local disk D or any other local disk. I'm in local disk D. Let's paste the folder here. Again, from the beginning, right click on this folder, go to show more option in the properties. Please select hidden and click apply and OK. All right. So now again, let's go to these three dots. Right. Once I came to these three dots, I can find the option here. And in the option, I want to go to view and I don't want to show this folder. I want to hide this folder. Okay, that's gone. Now let's say I want to again show this folder. Let's go to option, then go to view, and then again go to show hidden files, folders, and drive. Click on apply. I can see that folder back here. And if I want to remove the hidden attribute from this folder, right click on the folder, go to properties, and here I want to remove hidden attribute from the folder. So please note that if you want to hide any folder, first you have to select hidden in the attributes of the folder. So let's say how we can hide the file. I want to create a new, let's say Excel file here, right? And I want to also make this Excel file hide, right? I came to properties of the file. I want to select hidden and click on apply. So let's say we don't want to show hidden files here. Let's go to option again and the same method we could do don't show hidden files gone. Our Excel file is gone. Let's say we just turn on the computer and we work on our file. Let's go to apply and now the file is showing here. Better to take this file to the folder if you want to hide it. So if you want to remove the hide attribute, again the process will be same. Go to properties and here you go. We have removed the hidden attribute. So let's go to properties, apply hidden attribute, and let's say we want to hide it now. Let's go to option, view, don't show the hidden files and folder. We have done our work on the file. That's it. Okay, so we have hide the file. That's it about today's simple to the point tutorial on how to hide or unhide files and folders on Windows 11. And this process will also work on all versions of Windows 11 and Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITVK. Take care. Bye.